Permission to proceed to the agenda for opening of bids, Mr. Chair.
Go ahead.
Mr. Chair, for the opening of bids, item 2.1, installation of air conditioning units at PDB and upgrading of improvement of electrical system at Busuanga Airport with bid number 257108 Alpha. End user ADMS. At this point, Mr. Chair, all interested bidders are now invited to come join us in our meeting today via face-to-face or via online, sir. Mr. Chair, this is to confirm that the back secretariat received one sealed bid for this project, Mr. Chair. Hello, sir. Magandang umaga po, sir. Please be informed that this proceeding is recorded for documentation and transparency purposes po. Sir, to the representative, sir, may I respectfully ask each one of you to please approach the mic and state your name po and the company you represent. Thank you.
Sir. Good morning po, sir. I am Jan Elmer Abin from EM Abin Trading and Construction po.
Hello, sir.
Sir.
Good morning po. I'm Jason Aripin po from EM Abin Trading and Construction.
Hello, sir. Magandang umaga po.
Through the chair, permission to proceed in the opening of bids.
Yeah, please proceed.
To the representative po ng EM Abim, sir, please confirm if this is your submitted documents. Thank you, sir. Mahiwa kasi. On the submitted envelope, there are two envelopes inside, the original eligibility and technical document and the original financial component. With tabbing, pagination and signature each page. Checklist, please.
Checklist, sir. Valid PhilJobs registration certificate.
Certificate of PhilJobs registration issued to EM Abin Trading and Construction, valid until February 12, 2026, consisting of 3 pages. 1, 2, 3. In Annex A, list of eligibility document, DTI certificate, expiration date February 16, 2029, mayor's permit, expiration date December 31, 2025, tax clearance, expiration date June 26, 2026, audited financial statement, date of filing April 14, 2025, and pickup license expiration date June 24, 2026, submitted.
Statement of the prospective bidder for all its ongoing government and private contracts.
Statement of all its ongoing government and private contract. Signed, submitted.
Statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract.
Single largest completed contract. Signed, submitted.
Special pickup license in case of joint venture.
Not applicable.
Original copy of bid security if in the form of surety bond, submit also a certification issued by the Insurance Commission or original copy of notarized bid securing declaration.
Bid security in the form of bid securing declaration. Signed and duly notarized, submitted.
Organizational chart for the contract to be bid.
Organizational chart. Signed, submitted.
Original duly signed list of contractors' key personnel.
List of key personnel, signed, submitted.
Original duly signed list of contractors' major equipment units.
List of equipment, signed, submitted.
Original duly signed omnibus warrant statement and if applicable, original notarized secretary certificate in case of a corporation, partnership, or cooperative, or original special power of attorney of all members of the joint venture.
Omnibus warrant statement, signed and duly notarized with the special power of attorney, signed and duly notarized, submitted.
Certification under oath attesting that they have no pending case or cases against the government.
Certificate under oath that they have no pending case against the government, signed and duly notarized, submitted.
Legal clearance to be issued by the CAAP Enforcement and Legal Service.
Legal clearance issues to EM Abin Trading and Construction, signed by Attorney Martin S. de Buenaventura, submitted.
Bid bulletin if applicable.
Not applicable.
The prospective bidder's computation of net financial and contracting capacity.
NFCC in the amount of 515,764,104 pesos and 86 centavos, signed, submitted.
Original of duly signed bid price. That's all for technical component, Mr. Chair.
The submitted technical component of EM Abin Trading and Construction is initially rated as pass. Through the chair, permission to open the financial document.
Proceed, please.
With tabbing, pagination and signature each page. Checklist, please.
Original of duly signed bid prices and the bill of quantities.
Bill of quantities. Signed, submitted.
Summary of bid proposal.
Summary of bid proposal. Signed, submitted.
Bill of materials and cost estimates.
Bill of material and cost estimate. Signed, submitted.
Summary sheet indicating the unit prices of construction materials.
Summary for unit price of material. Signed, submitted.
Summary sheet indicating the unit prices of labor.
Summary for unit price of labor. Signed, submitted.
Summary sheet indicating the unit prices of equipment.
Summary for unit price of equipment. Signed, submitted.
Cash flow by quarter and payment schedule.
Cash flow by quarter and payment schedule. Signed, submitted.
Regional of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form.
Magkano ABC? Financial bid form signed by Elmer M. Abin, owner, general manager, in the amount of 10,998,028 pesos and 81 centavos with no discount. The offer is 10,998,028 pesos and 81 centavos and below the ABC. Through the chair, here is the matrix of the proposal of EM Abin Construction, Trading and Construction. The amount of 10,998,028 pesos and 81 centavos with no discount below the ABC. And for this, Mr. Chair, the Bhakti WG would like to recommend that the bid proposal as initially rated as pass of EM Abin Trading and Construction undergo bid evaluation process to determine its completeness and any arithmetical correction for the consideration and approval of the BAC committee.
Thank you. Any comments from the members? If none, any motion with regards to the recommendations of the technical working group?
Motion, Mr. Chair.
Go ahead, Captain Chuck, please.
Motion to adopt the recommendation of the TWG for EM Abin Trading and Construction to undergo bid evaluation for completeness of all documents and to determine any arithmetical errors. Thank you.
Any second?
Second, Mr. Chair.
There was a motion and duly seconded. And the recommendations of the technical working group will be adopted and hereby approved. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, to the representative. Sir, maraming salamat po. You are now excused and you may now leave the meeting room po. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Chair, proceeding to item 2.2. This is the replacement of diesel engine generator set at Mactan AFC and user ANS. Mr. Chair, this is to confirm that the Secretariat received one sealed quotation, one sealed bid for this project, Mr. Chair. At this juncture, the interested bidder, sir, may now join us here. Hello to the interested bidder. Sir, magandang umaga po. Sir, please be informed that this proceeding is recorded for documentation transparency purposes po. Sir, for records purposes, may I respectfully request you po to approach the mic and state your name and the company you represent po. Salamat po.
Good morning. I'm Edwin Rivera from Gen Diesel Philippines, Inc.
Hello sir, good morning po.
Before we proceed to the opening of the submitted bids, since this is a negotiated procurement, at this juncture, what will open is only the financial component envelope. Then we'll proceed to the bid evaluation to determine the completeness of the bid.
Through the chair, permission to open the submitted bid proposal.
Go ahead with the opening.
Thank you, sir. Financial lang naman ito. Sabihan ko na rin. Kaso na ba ito? On the submitted envelope, there are two envelopes inside, the technical component, original technical component, and the original financial components. Since it's a negotiated procurement, we'll just open the financial. Negotiated na to eh. Kala ka na ba? Wala naman may checklist kayo.
For the record, we will declare executive meeting for 5 minutes.
To the bidder, sir, representative. Sir, pa-confirm, sir, kung may air tab to. Tabbing. Sir, as per stated po dun sa letter na binigay sa inyo, sir, the purpose must be include the eligibility technical financial document in accordance with the required specified in the bid document. As per ITB 16, sir, every page thereof shall be initial signed by duly authorized representative of the bidder. Submitted eligibility technical and financial documents shall be properly marked with index tab and must be sequentially paginated, accurate order in the form of page 3 of 100 page, number of the last page of the document. Pagination should be sequential based on the entire span of the whole document inside the envelope. Bid not complying instructions shall be automatically disqualified. Sir, do you confirm na wala yung... Mr. Chair?
Okay, what will be the final recommendations of the technical working group?
With this, Mr. Chair, we recommend for the disqualification for the submission of the financial document of Gen Diesel Philippines for not incorporating the air tab under ITB 16. Yes, sir, but it is clearly stated in the ITB clause 16, sir. Okay po. Sir, ganito na lang, sir. Mag-ano na lang po kayo, mag-file na lang po kayo ng motion for reconsideration, sir. Within 3 days. Tapos i-schedule po natin for another, sir. With this, Mr. Chair, recommend for the disqualification. Yes, sir.
So, it is clearly stated with the references that we have that each and every page thereof shall be initial signed by the duly authorized representative of the bidders, wherein the submitted eligibility technical and financial shall be properly marked with index tabs. Each tabs must be sequentially paginated in accurate order in the form of sample page 3 of 100. Since the submitted documents has no tabbings based on the checklist that we have, then with regards to the recommendations of the technical working group for disqualifications, any comments or from the members? If none, any motion with regards to the recommendations of the technical working group?
Motion, Mr. Chair.
Yes, go ahead, Captain Chuck, please.
Motion to adopt the recommendation of the TWG for the disqualification of Gen Diesel Philippines Incorporated for non-compliance to the required pagination.
I second the motion.
Since the motion has been duly seconded, the recommendations of the technical working group will be adopted and approved. Thank you.
to the bidder. Sir, salamat po for joining us. We're going to seal your bid, and if you opt to get it back po, you may do so po, sir. Salamat po. Thank you, sir.